Hey guys, I just want to show you how shitty TikTok live streaming is. Because if your connection goes down by 1 bar through the entire live stream, it deletes it all. And I was doing a severe weather stream. Let's see how many alerts that just got deleted. Severe thunderstorm watch, severe thunderstorm warning, severe thunderstorm warning, severe tornado warning, severe thunderstorm warning, tornado warning, tornado warning, severe thunderstorm warning, severe thunderstorm warning, severe thunderstorm warning, severe thunderstorm warning, tornado warning, severe thunderstorm warning, severe thunderstorm warning, severe thunderstorm warning, severe thunderstorm warning, and that's it. So thank you, TikTok live streaming. You're doing great, bud. Let's go! SDR!
The National Weather Service in Denver, Colorado has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Elbert County, southeastern Arapahoe County, and northeastern Colorado until 5:15 p.m. At 4:51 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 6 miles southwest of their trail, or 29 miles northwest of Lemon, moving northeast at 20 miles an hour. Hazard, golf ball size hail and 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. This severe thunderstorm will be near Deer Trail around 5:10 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
Tone, you can do it. Yeah, there you go.
The National Weather Service in Denver, Colorado has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Morgan County in northeastern Colorado, northeastern Adams County in northeastern Colorado until 5:30 p.m. At 4:59 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 5 miles west of Ina, or 17 miles southwest of Fort Morgan, moving northeast at 20 miles an hour. Hazard, ping pong ball size hail and 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs.
You didn't tone, you toned.
Trees.
You toned.
People
I
and
don't know what
animals
that
outdoors
was.
will be injured.
Fires.
Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. This severe thunderstorm will be near Adamant around 5:10 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Denver, Colorado has issued a
Shut up. There we go. Tornado watch!
The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch
Conrad.
450 until 11 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time this evening, which replaces a portion of Severe Thunderstorm Watch 449. The new watch is valid for the following areas in Colorado. The new watch includes 4 counties in northeast Colorado: Logan, Phillips, Sedgwick, Washington. This includes the cities of Akron, Holyoke, Julesburg, and Sterling. The National Weather Service has canceled Severe Thunderstorm Watch 449 for the following areas in Colorado. This cancels 2 counties in northeast Colorado: Denver, Weld. This includes the cities of Denver, Denver International Airport, Greeley, and Windsor. Severe Thunderstorm Watch 449 remains valid until 8 p.m. Mountain.
When there be 2 watches.